Alright, welcome back. Today we're talking about beginner bass lessons. Today is your bass guitar minor scales, and we're going over the bass guitar minor modes of the minor scale. So we're venturing into the melodic minor today, and that's what we're going to get into in a minute. So if you're new here to my channel, this is I Want to Play Bass, your YouTube channel for bass guitar tips, gear reviews, lessons, all kinds of good stuff, occasional giveaways and occasional campaigns that we have going on. And so subscribe here, get in the loop, don't miss a beat. And I'm Donald with the bass instructor of the How to Play Bass online course at iwanttoPlayBass.com. Jump over there, subscribe, become a member for free, and sign up when you're serious about your bass playing. So back to the minor scales, the minor modes of the minor scale. Today we're jumping into the melodic minor, which I talked a little bit about with the harmonic minor. I went over both of those, so I'll leave a card up here. You can check out that as well, so you can get an idea on the melodic minor. But I'll go over it a little bit again today, just so you don't have to jump over there. But if you haven't seen the harmonic minor scale and the modes, jump over there. I've got several videos of those modes and that scale as well. So the melodic minor is right here. Okay, now it was developed back in the day to help, because it came up with something, a leading tone. They needed a leading tone to push us to that resolve in a minor key. So they added the harmonic minor, but they found that, okay, well, we've got that. This pushes us to the resolution here, but coming down it wasn't needed. That was not needed, so they just changed back. They just left that, and then they did the major sixth interval there to make the melodic minor. So initially back in the day it was just ascending, and then that was just ascending was the harmonic minor, and then descending was the melodic minor. Okay, but then as it evolved through the years, jazz guys just took it and they just left it alone. They left the melodic minor as its own scale, and they left the harmonic minor as its own scale. Okay, so they just left it alone. They are two different entities now, and so they've got their own modes of each one. So now we're getting into the melodic minor modes, and starting on the second degree of that melodic minor scale, we have the Dorian Flat 2, the Dorian Flat 2 mode. That's the name of it, and basically all it is, if you know what you should know, if you've seen the bass guitar major scales, the modes of that, Dorian is the second mode of the major scale, right? Okay, so that's Dorian. Now all we're doing is we're flatting that second. So to make it easy, keep things simple. That's the best way to do things. Just keep it simple. Don't make it too difficult. Just remembering these modes is the only thing that's hard about. Just remembering, okay, what was that second mode of the melodic minor? Dorian Flat 2. Dorian, I keep saying Dorian, I don't know. Dorian Flat 2. So it's just, you're just flatting the second degree of that. Okay, so that's all it is. So let me play the melodic minor. So let me play the melodic minor, and then I'll play the Dorian Flat 2 in using the same root, so you can get an idea of the sound, the difference in the two. Okay, let me take it a little slower. So the melodic minor and then the Dorian Flat 2, one right after another. Melodic minor first. So a little bit of a difference there. You hear that first half step, that minor sounding half step, and then we get up here to the dominant 7. So That's the arpeggio. Then here's the arpeggio of the melodic minor. Dorian Flat 2 has that minor 7th there. Or the melodic minor and major 7th, that half step. Or just the 7th or the dominant 7th. The dominant's that whole step. So, you know, either way how you want to call it. So you got that dominant 7th in the Dorian Flat 2 mode, and you have the regular 7th in the melodic minor arpeggio. Okay, so that's going to be the difference when you come across, you're in a minor key and you see a minor just a minor 7th chord, you can go right to it. You see a minor 7th chord, you can go and you throw that second. You can, if you see a flat 9 in there, you would definitely know to use the Dorian Flat 2 scale, because of that flat 2. That flat 2 is also the flat 9, because 8's the octave, and then 2's the 9, 3's the 10th, and so on. Okay, so that is the Dorian Flat 2. Like I say, get you a loop, get you something going so you can just play that bad boy. Just to get an idea of it. Just get you an E going. Okay, so just fool around with it, just play, just have fun with it, and just get familiar with the Dorian Flat 2. That mode, the sound of that mode, you know, just dial it in and just, you know, make it second nature. Now, I don't think I went over the pattern. The pattern is just going to be first finger, second finger, fourth finger, first finger, collapse to your fourth finger, a whole step above the first finger, second finger, fourth finger. Okay, so that's the pattern right there. And an easy way to remember is just the Dorian scale, Dorian mode, and with the flat second. Instead of the major third, major second, it's a minor second. Do that little collapse there, make it easy so you can do that stretch out of the position right here to this whole step, this whole step away, but it's, you know, 4 frets. Okay, so So if you got some value out of this, help me help you. Hit that like button, and I'll catch y'all on the flip-flop in the next video. So bye for now.